Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a Tesla.
You're getting a Tesla?
I think so. They're pretty cool.
Since we've been in New York, Jared rented a Tesla and he's just been talking mad shit about it, just saying that like he can't figure out how to unlock it and it's an adjustment and this and that. He's like, yeah, Tesla's not for me. You just heard him. Yeah, I think I'm getting a Tesla.
It's pretty cool.
You saw the doggy? I'm working my booty. This is how moms do their booty.
That's right.
Outfit of the day for the birthday party. The cool mom.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
No, like that.
Happy birthday to you.
And this is when my reset started. I did an Instacart while we were sitting waiting at the airport. I just went on Whole Foods delivery, like the Amazon delivery, and this is everything that I got. We just ate out so much that I couldn't wait to get home, meal prep, and get started.
Yeah, get her.
Want some water?
You gonna turn her into a troll?
Look at that water. I am so happy to be home. I missed my dogs so much. And now we're home cleaning out the fridge. So my husband took the fridge apart. He wiped and cleaned everything down while I unpacked the grocery delivery, which is so nice to not have to go to the grocery store after a flight. And this is some of the things that we got, and I got right into meal prepping. So the first thing is quinoa. Quinoa is great because it's good cold or warmed up the next day. And I always want to make it, but when you make it on the spot, it's like 17 to 20 minutes, and I never have time for that. So that's something that I like to meal prep. It's a great base for a salad or on its own or making a bowl. And then I wanted to bake broccoli. My daughter is obsessed with broccoli. She calls it crockly, and she's like, crockly, because of the way I make it with oil and garlic salt. And that's another thing, like it's so, there she is eating it. It's so nice to already have these things prepped for you. And then I did sweet potatoes because anytime you're making some kind of bowl, we're gonna have like a chicken bowl for dinner. It's so nice to already have this done. So I do olive oil, salt, and pepper. Super simple. Last but not least, I wanted to meal prep some hard-boiled eggs. My daughter goes crazy for them in the morning for breakfast, and we even like them for snacks with a little salt and pepper. So here's my fridge. It looks a lot better. We have some chicken that I'm going to be making tomorrow. We have some snacks ready to go, like these cheeses. We have deli cold cuts to make a sandwich. So good to be home. Like, home has a smell, like outside, like just, I can't describe it. I was saying on Instagram last night when we were at the airport that I just need to reset, because when you're gone that long, a lot of times you're falling out of your workout routine, you're falling out of eating healthy, and you're just kind of like eating what's available or what smells and tastes good. And I have to say, that's one thing I don't regret with, I never regret eating like pizza when we're in New York City. I never regret eating sweets or something like that, because I just think when you go away, food is such a big part of travel and like tasting the different things there that you're not gonna have where you live. That's why I went to meal prep, and I'm gonna show you guys the veggie spaghetti that I'm gonna make for lunch. But anyway, I wanna do a quick little haul. It's literally two things. So the first thing is this colorful necklace. I've been seeing these colorful necklaces everywhere. I think they are so fun. My daughter loves them. When she sees people with them, she always points it out. My friend posted one and I texted her and I'm like, where did you get yours? Because I saw some of them were like really expensive and I'm like, it's a trend. That's more than I want to spend. That she found an affordable one on Amazon. Okay, that is super cute. This one I found on TikTok. Sent some things here so that when I got home I had like a few things because I did not buy anything in New York. I don't know, but I thought this was so cute. I might even wear this today. I don't know, with the necklace, is that too much? Now I'm just going to take my probiotic. I haven't had anything to eat. I've only had water and coffee. I do take these on an empty stomach. On my airport scene, you guys did see that I had my travel case. So Seed is a pre and probiotic, so they like to call it the daily synbiotic. It just goes into your routine so nicely. So if you're into habit stacking like I am, you will get into a ritual where you know when to take it. And I will make another video on habit stacking because I've been doing like different things, especially when I was away in New York. I really had to keep up a few things from my routine. I probably would have come home like so bloated, but because I've been taking the daily synbiotic and I have been taking it for a year now, everything has still been very regular. Not to be TMI, but I'm just throwing that out there. On vacation, I used to always get constipated because I'd be out of my routine and eating like whatever was available. Seed keeps me very regular. It also has been amazing for my skin. It's so nice to hear compliments like in person. Their formulation does support healthy skin. I will leave a link down below if you guys want to get started and check it out. My code is SAMO15 and that will get you 15% off your first month's supply with Seed. So something that I started doing when I was in New York is I got a new journal and I started writing out my ideal day again and like just looking at that every day. But I also started making my master to-do list, and it's like everything you have to do in a month and then like breaking it down to like 3. So I would start with like 3 things, then 3 things, then 3 things, and I've already knocked out so many things on my list. Anyway, when I had some time in New York, I made this long master to-do list. It was like everything that has to get done in a month. So it's not like, oh, this has to get done today or this week, which usually can stress you out, right? You're like, oh my God, that's way too much stuff I have to do. And I mentioned in another video that this Kosas concealer was a little too dark for just under my eyes. So I kind of use it as like a tinted moisturizer, like just to even out your skin tone. Other things on the master to-do list is my second teeth cleaning. Me and my husband, we always go together. Getting my tires looked at, Violet's checkup appointment. So it's just like all these like long things. So I'm still obsessed with this blush. This is the Selena Gomez blush that I really like, Rare Beauty. I like this because this gives you like a, even though it's very coral, kind of looks intimidating at first, gives you like that sun-kissed glow. This Kosas lip stuff is amazing. It's clear, but I love it. That is it for today as far as makeup goes. We're gonna go make lunch. And there you have it. We have our veggie spaghetti with a little bit more pesto mixed in, some quinoa, and some cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna add a little Parmesan on top. And it's so good, especially if you've been eating a lot of meat and you just wanna like have one meal without it. Absolutely delicious. You guys have to make this. This is the outfit. I am obsessed. So what I did was, I'm wearing a strapless bra. You would have to show bra straps, I feel like, because it's so scooped here that, right? Like, and if, I don't know. I know bra straps are in. I posted that on my Instagram, like, bra straps are back in. Some people commented, you guys made me laugh. They were like, I didn't know bra straps were out. It even looks good with the necklace. I kind of just turned it more to like the pearly side than like the colorful side. This is the new water bottle. So I used to have this water bottle in pink. They didn't have the pink on Amazon. I lost it and now I have it in white. I also like that it's a motivational water bottle. Like it says, almost done, don't give up. The whole reason I even bought this one in the first place when I had it in pink was because it's glass. Like I just can't I can't get into the other materials. I just can't. I need a glass water bottle. Quick little update for anybody that cares. I don't know if anybody cares about this, but I mentioned it in a few vlogs ago. So in case you do care, hey, what's up? So the house we made an offer on, we are not gonna meet with price. Like, they don't want to come down, we don't want to go up. Back on the search. So for anybody else that's in the same boat as me, looking for their forever home, their family home, we are actively looking. We're actually going to 2 open houses this week, and that's why I've been writing down like my ideal day for anybody that was wondering in like that clip earlier when I mentioned, oh, I'm writing down my ideal day for manifesting. For me and Jared, what's been the hardest part, I feel like so many home buyers out there like looking to buy are also falling into this, is do you want the perfect house or the perfect location? Because we'll find the perfect house but the location is meh, like not exactly where I want to live, or we'll find like this is where I want to live, not the right house, kind of like, oh, who's texting me? Oh my god, my realtor just texted me literally as I'm talking to you guys about this. She just said we're confirmed for a showing. So this was actually a house, just quick story time, this was actually a house that we liked and we didn't pull the trigger on, and it went really quick, and now it's back on the market. The contract fell through. So we have an appointment to go see that, so that's exciting. And here in South Florida, the houses are going pretty quickly. I know everyone's saying like things are starting to slow down, but here slowdown is, instead of them going in a day or 2 days, the houses, now they're going in a week or 2 weeks. So there's definitely more inventory like piling up, but I wouldn't say that it's like this big like price cut or anything like that. So that's one side of it. Also, I'm being super picky, and that's the other side of it. But I feel like I've waited this long, maybe comment below if you can relate. I've waited this long, I want to get what I want. I want to get, like, even if it's not 100% perfect, we have to make like minor tweaks, you know, paint or a little minor renovation or a bathroom reno or something like that. Totally fine. I'm not saying everything has to be 10 out of 10, but what I am saying is the feeling, the thing you can't renovate. After renovating myself, I now have some experience in that, like, there's certain things you just can't change, and that is the vibe. You can't make that. So anyway, I'm on my computer right now. I'm editing and gonna put all that into my planner, the showings that we're gonna go to, and I will keep you updated. I think the rest of the day, I'm just going to edit this vlog. I'm also going to do some laundry, walk my dogs. I'm just so happy to like be home, get back into the routine. And if you guys want to see the video on habit stacking, comment that down below and I will film that. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you guys soon.